go, work. Blizzard, you see? Chicago.
We in the blizzard.
The first, you feel me? Just getting off work, got that foot-away thing on, got that motherfucker foot long, you know how I do. But you know, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, make this little video. Come on, follow me, walk. Come on.
Let's take a look at this blizzard.
Come on. You know, shit everywhere. Look, snow all on my motherfucker. Everything, like, this is deep, man. This shit is real. Come on.
This is real.
It's real.
See that? Look, you can't even see my foot. Look at this. That's crazy. Oh my God.